Have you ever found yourself waiting for someone to come to your rescue? Maybe you're hoping for a mentor to guide you, a friend to support you, or even a hero to save your day. But here's the hard truth. No one is coming to help you. Hi there, welcome back to a cozy corner of candid chats and straight talk like nowhere else. If you are just stumbling upon this, I am Simi, your go-to person for all things holistic living and self-discovery. Thrilled to have you join our little tribe where we are all about diving deep into what makes us bloom, grow and glow. Today, we are diving into a topic that might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's essential for personal growth and empowerment. The reality is, waiting for someone else to swoop in and solve your problems or fulfill your dreams is like waiting for a ship to come on a deserted island. It's just not going to happen. Instead of waiting for external help, it's time to take matters in your own hands. It's time to become your hero. Now I know that it might sound daunting, but trust me, you've got what it takes. You have the power within you to overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and create the life you want. So where do you start? How do you begin to take charge of your destiny? First, it's about shifting your mindset. Instead of seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances, see yourself as the main protagonist of your own story. Ask yourself, are you stuck in the victim mindset, letting life toss you around like a leaf in the wind? Staying stuck in the victim mindset is like being caught in a never-ending rainstorm. You're constantly drenched in negativity, feeling like life's just throwing punches at you. It's like being stuck in a muddy rut, unable to crawl out and see the sunshine. You end up playing the blame game, pointing fingers at everyone but yourself. And worst of all, you miss out on all the good stuff life has to offer because you're too busy drowning in self-pity. It's time to snap out of it. You're not just a passenger in this journey, you're the one driving the ship. Every morning is a chance to take control and steer your life in the direction you want. So let's shake off those doubts, embrace your power, and make today the day you start owning your story. Ready to ditch the victim act and become the hero of your own tale? Let's do this. Next, it's all about taking action. It's easy to feel paralyzed when it seems like no one's coming to help, but the key is to take small, consistent steps forward. When you're feeling stuck and it seems like nobody's coming to rescue, it's easy to get frozen in this place. The downside to not taking action, however, is like staying stuck in a perpetual waiting room, watching opportunities pass you by. When you hesitate to take that first step, you risk remaining stagnant, trapped in the same old patterns and routines. It's like spinning your wheels in the mud, going nowhere fast. Without action, dreams remain unfulfilled, goals remain out of reach, and potentials remain untapped. So by choosing inaction, you are essentially choosing to stay in the same place while the world moves forward without you. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Take that leap and see where it takes you. But here's the secret. Just start moving, even if it's baby steps. Taking little actions one after the other is like turning on a light in the dark. It might not feel like much at first, but believe me, each step forward brings you closer to where you want to be. So don't wait around for someone else to swoop in and be your own hero and start taking those small, consistent steps. You've got this. Now, to aid taking action, set achievable, clear goals for yourself. When it feels like no one is coming to help, it's up to you to chart your own course. Start by identifying what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable steps. Now, these goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. These are SMART goals. For example, if your ultimate goal is to switch careers, your smaller goals might include updating your resume, networking with professionals in your desired field, and applying for a certain number of jobs each week. Last but not the least, and perhaps the most important, is to practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend in need. Picture this. When a friend confides in you about a mistake they've made or a difficult situation they are going through, your instinct is likely to be supportive and compassionate, right? You reassure them, remind them of their worth, and encourage them to keep going. Now imagine applying the same level of compassion to yourself. Instead of beating yourself up over your shortcomings or setbacks, you offer words of encouragement and understanding. You acknowledge that you're human, imperfect, deserving of love and kindness, just like everyone else. This practice of self-compassion lays the foundation for resilience, self-acceptance, and growth on your journey of self-help. It allows you to navigate challenges with greater ease, bounce back from setbacks with grace, and cultivate a deeper sense of well-being and fulfillment from within. Remember, you are your own hero, so stop waiting for someone else to save you. Be kind to yourself, take charge of your life, and watch yourself as you unleash your full potential. Thanks for watching this. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, remember, the truth is no one is coming to help you. But that's okay. You've got this. The support that you need is right there within you, Everything you need to succeed is within you. Always remember that. Bye-bye. Take care.